Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your added passwords and enter your current login method. Then, to delete it completely, hit Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my added password was successfully deleted from Google Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!